Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Group stock LCID. When will it reach its bottom? Will it keep dropping? We will be talking about this and some latest news about Lucid and more. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, join the community, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Also, I do have very nice promotions down below to get you some free stocks. Please take advantage of that. Stay to the end of this video so I can show you which stocks to get, how to get some free stocks using my link to Moomoo. They have the best promotion. But without further ado, let's transition and talk about Lucid Group stock LCID. It has been on a downward pressure. It has been falling and falling. When will it get its stop? When will it get its downward pressure, the bottom of the stock? Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody really knows. We do know right now that in the stock market, there is a lot of downward pressure, especially on EV stocks, EV charging stocks, because we've had several very bad news. Number one, the infrastructure bill did not get passed. This did put a lot of downward pressure on the EV charging stocks and also the EV vehicles, because there was a huge incentive in there to get electric vehicles, to get that tax break, to get that tax incentive. This has now been, not clear. There's a lot of fear out there that the EVs are not taking off. This is creating a lot of downward pressure. Go look at all the EV companies out there. All of them are down quite a bit, even Tesla from its high. That being said, what's some other things that are putting downward pressure on the stock market is the Omicron, the COVID variant is starting to spike. We are starting to get a lot more people infected, a lot more hospitalizations. It's affecting even the younger kids now. So again, a lot of fears in the market, but this is all temporary in my opinion. This will definitely go back up. That being said, other news about Lucid Motors out there is that most recently there was a Detroit Free Press release that the year 2022, the Lucid Air electric luxury sedan may be the best car in the world by the middle of next year. If you recall in my past videos, I have been saying that give Lucid Motors 6 months to, which is about the middle of 2022, to be known around the world. Right now, Lucid is doing a great job, in my opinion, that they are starting to get the branding known. They are known to be a luxury EV maker, but they have the best performance out of any electric vehicle out there. They are very comparable to Tesla, 0 to 60, 2.5 seconds in its premium vehicle. Also, the longest battery range of any vehicle in the world. It was determined by the EPA that Lucid does have the best efficiency at 520 miles on a single electric charge, the fastest charging system in the world. But right now, Lucid is not known around the world, but it definitely will. Like I said, give it 6 months. Detroit Free Press News did hear the same thing. They are reporting the same thing. So you are starting to see that a lot of reviewers, a lot of analysts are starting to see what I'm seeing, what I have been seeing in the past months. So great news for Lucid. I definitely think that next year will be very critical for Lucid Group because they will be mass producing their vehicles. This is the biggest hurdle that they do have. They will be delivering 20,000 of its Lucid Air vehicles. There's 4 different trim types ranging anywhere from 77,000 all the way up to 170,000. That is before any federal tax credits. As I mentioned, the infrastructure bill did not pass, so these the federal tax credits are not at its maximum. They were supposed to be a credit of $12,500, but right now, currently, the way it stands is $7,500 off these vehicles. Still a very nice discount, but it is not the biggest potential. So also, in addition to this, we are starting to see some very nice news in the market that people are favoring the Lucid Air versus the other EV companies that are out there. Just this one article from Inside EVs does have this title as a buyer rejects a $50,000 dealer markup on a Mercedes EQS, gets a Lucid Air instead. He did post some tweets. John Riddinger initially wanted the Mercedes EQS, the 580 4MATIC, but the insane markup drove him to buy a Lucid Air instead. So they were marking up his vehicle by $50,000. This was insane. He did share this story. Here's a clipping of that. He said that he originally had the Mercedes EQS reserved and ready to be picked up. When he was there, the dealer was marking it up $50,000. He passed on this vehicle and got a Lucid Air instead. This is a picture of his Lucid Air. This was just posted on yesterday, which was December 28th, actually a couple days ago. He went on and decided to write Mercedes and say that this is not right to mark up this vehicle by $50,000. He did get this response back. Hi, John. Thanks for the follow-up. I'm afraid there's no legal way to intervene. And they believe that this car is certainly worth it. Talking about the EQS being marked up by $50,000. This does make it even more expensive, or about expensive as the Lucid Air Dream. But as you can see, they did get their the vehicle. They did get a not a sell on their EQS. This person did get the Lucid Air Dream instead. So I do think that a lot of people are going to start seeing and realizing that the Lucid Air is one of the best vehicles. You get that luxury, you get the performance, you get the range, you get it all. It checks all the boxes. So let's just take a look at the stock. I do definitely think it is quite cheap now. If you can get the stock, I have been saying under $40, you're getting a good deal. Under $38, a steal of a deal. It's still in that steal of a deal, and the stock is falling as well. Just in the past day, we were down to $36.97, and pre-market hours were still around $36. It is still going down. In the past 5 days, we are down 2.5% on this stock with the low of $36.15. As you can see, whenever we do hit that $36, there are some investors piling in. But have we reached that bottom yet? I definitely don't think so, because there's still a lot of downward pressure on this stock. In the past 1 month, we are down 30% from a high of $55 that was on November 29th. Again, but we are starting to see maybe a base settling at maybe $35. We'll see if we go any lower than that. But in the past 6 months, you see that we've had a huge run up with very good news. Delivery started on October 30th. You saw the stock before then was $27. Huge run up to 105% just in a matter of 1 month. Now, we did see the highest prices in November. We tested $55 3 times on November 16th, November 19th, and also November 29th. That is our resistance point. But in the past 1 month, you know, the resistance, it's pretty much been down falling. So we have not really had the big resistance that we have tested. I would say the next test we need to get is past $38. Right now, we are still trying to find the bottom of this stock. Just to show you what the analysts are saying out there with Lucid Motors, there's 4 analysts that reviewed it. 2 give it a strong buy, 1 a hold, 1 a sell, which is an average of a hold. Now, the highest price target we did see for Lucid LCID is $60. Lowest price target, $16. If you average these together, that gives us $42.75, which right now is 15.6% upside. And that is using that lowest price target in there. I definitely think it's going to be a lot higher in the next 1 year. But right now, again, if you can get this stock price under that, $40, you're still getting a very nice price point in this stock. What Wallet Investor is showing us that in the next 1 year, in the next 12 months, this stock has a great potential to go up to $57, about $58. I definitely think that this is more achievable. Now, remember that Wallet Investor does use technical analysis and past trading history. Since we are down 30% in the past 1 month, this is the reason why this has fallen. This was actually over $60 in 1 year forecast, but Wallet Investor in the next 5 years does give it $140. I definitely think that is being very conservative. I think that this stock will be much higher than that, but please always do your own due diligence, your own research before purchasing this or any other stocks. But thank you again so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. Give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Join the community. Hit the notification bell. We'd love to have you here. Also, if you have this channel, you have this page, share it with others so we can keep growing this channel. If you can share it with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor, I'd greatly appreciate that as we're growing this channel quite nicely. Also, don't forget to get your free stocks. Right now, using my links down below will get you free stocks. Moomoo has the best promotion. If you open an account, that will grant you a free stock. Put in any amount of money will get you an additional free stock. But if you put in $100 or more, we'll grant you a chance to get a Lucid stock. So that's 3 free stocks just for putting in $100 or more into this. Each of these stocks will be valued up to $3,500. Put in $2,000 or more, will grant you 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. The best promotion out there. I also did want to let you know for my watchers in Australia, Moomoo is now there. Use my link. I have been working with my Moomoo rep to get Moomoo available in other countries besides the US. Now they have it in Australia, so please don't forget to get your free stocks, as I know I have a lot of friends in Australia that are watching. But thank you again so much for all your support. Today is a very big day. I am taking my mother to see her oncologist. We have very big results coming up, so please, give me your support, give me your prayers. I greatly appreciate it, as we definitely need those. But thank you for watching, for all your support, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.